嘅做那 a cappella power，如何面對像一起走過的日子？現在剩下我獨行，如何讓心息一一講你知？從來無人明白我，唯一你俾我好日子。愛你有愛情，有生有死有義。當小風波中遇闖，只一彼此不死的目光。愛你有愛情，有山有水有地，不可太得總有天意才真。Okay, so I'm gonna do a little more talk on the GTML. I'm about to render the entire book, and so that should be, I don't know, I don't want to put a time frame to it. It could take the whole day, just adding more details to it. Like little details, like I cannot do the active link click, so I had to use a combo box instead. And then I could add narration, sound, and I could add other apps like calendar. So let me just segue into how I create these apps. Normally, when you have a document like Word document, Excel, you open up the application and you fill in the cell information. Here is you generate the XML code, just like how Java, when you have a starting point, that static main, you use a string utility to create a thread. And the next thing you know is you actually add a panel to set up the border layout and add the panel, but it's all using code, right? Whereas in Microsoft, you could use the IDE, and then you could use these properties panel to edit the arguments, but it's generated through integrated development environment. And it's chicken and egg. There's nothing. There's always advantage and disadvantage. The advantage is it's great for end user, just like an Apple user. But when you draw up a standard, then you don't have a tool set available. So it's good to have the linguistic generation. So this is how I want to pursue. For example, when you create a spreadsheet, you don't need to have the entire XML structure for all the cells. You just need to have 3 more cells for the spreadsheet. And also, I created my first applet for the job in Symantec, and so I created a stack algebraic evaluator. So I'm gonna add that too, and then add some sort of kube control for authentication. Also, all these 3 will come together and a Office app for GTML, and then move to multi-platform and anti-sign auto collision handshake. Just imagine I'm a fan right here, like windmill, and I generate the sign auto handshake protocol that propagates for the flying cars, and so that's how they communicate to handle the anti-collision. So I would be drawing more diagram and moving into that, but I'm also very excited because the whole approach with my GTML thing is complexity resolve the problem domain, right? So it is very complex to have the whole suite of Office and everything. It would just take a tremendous amount of effort to code everything. But then if you think of just the XML, not the whole Word document structure, just only few cells. Like let's say I want to create a calendar. You just need an XML for a few entry for the date that you want the reminder, or the date you want to set for appointment. And so that's a document. Then you put some sort of manifest information for kube control. Then you have the whole application all finalized, and the people could write apps for a viewer. It's like OpenDoc, right? So the viewer could be, it's a standard, and people create viewers for these, and like book rendering for books for Xbox. That's all in the pipeline. So I'll be moving. I'm very excited to create that, and also I'll be putting more content, research, like mental research, mental ventures research. There's a field of advertisement for Project Mellow. There's a couple of startups, some CEOs have some sort of marketing feature. I'll be integrated that with the GTML. That I'll see you tomorrow.